Hello everyone. Today we will see how to prepare chicken soup for idli and dosa. So I'm going to use half kg of chicken. So I took 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and curry leaves. Turn on the heat and I'm going to cook in a pressure cooker. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, adding little mustard seeds and little urad dal, and then we can add all the onion and fry the onion until they turn light brown in color. And once the onions are fried, we can add curry leaves and ginger garlic paste also. Fry it for another 2 minutes until the raw flavor of ginger is gone. And then we can add all the tomatoes and cook for another 5 minutes. So once the tomato is cooked, we can add the chicken and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until that raw smell of chicken is gone. So after 4 minutes, I am adding half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of coriander, little salt and little turmeric powder. Just mix them well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of water and mix them well. And then we can close it with a lid and let it cook for 2 whistles on a medium flame. So that's the second whistle. Now we can turn off the heat and let the pressure settle down on its own. So the pressure is settled down. The chicken is also cooked well. So turn on the heat again on a medium flame. And now I'm going to add the curry masala powder, half a teaspoon of curry masala. And I have a separate video on how to prepare the curry masala. I'll provide the link in the description. Just mix it well and just cook it for another 2 minutes and then our chicken soup is ready. We can turn off the heat.